Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to show you around this Range Rover Autobiography in Santorini Black, which is a 4.4 V8 diesel. This car is next due for a service in December 2021. You have 21-inch light silver diamond turned finish alloys, a powered tailgate along with an electrically deployable tow bar, and you also have keyless entry. Going inside the vehicle, you have 10-inch rear seat entertainment, which is ideal for children, along with executive class seating, which still looks close to new considering it's a year old. And then going into the front of the vehicle, you have Autobiography tread plates and a lovely ebony leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light. 10-inch display screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with ambient lighting with several different colours to choose from, which looks cool especially in the dark. You also have a sat-nav and a rear view camera with a 360-degree option, making parking and reversing a lot easier. You have a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, making driving along the motorway safer and easier. A heated steering wheel, along with heated and cooled front seats, which is ideal for winter and summer. The front seats are also massage with several different settings depending on your preference. All seats in the car are memory, which is handy if there's many people in and out of the vehicle. And you also have a Meridian sound system. This car's done 9,450 miles. And you do also have a front centre console cooler compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys. Here you can see the service history, and this vehicle isn't due for a service till December 2021. And you do also have 2 keys, which is handy if you ever lose one. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was the stunning Range Rover Autobiography. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.